A casual strut, but pure precision. And the batter, deceived in plain sight. What is the science behind this sorcery of spin bowling? Spinner sets up the stage, baiting the batter with deliveries of similar line and length. The batter gets comfortable, presumes the pitch point of the ball. Unexpectedly, the spinner adds extra revolutions without changing the hand action. A sudden dip in the flight of the ball and a shorter pitch point. Let's take a closer look. When the ball is spinning furiously, it bifurcates the incoming air in such a way that at the bottom, the airflow goes along with the spin, remaining streamlined. But at the top, the spin works against the airflow, disrupting and pushing the air upwards, away from the surface of the ball. According to Newton's third law of action-reaction, this pushed air in turn exerts a downward reaction force on the ball, making it land faster and shorter than anticipated, or as they say, make it dip right at the last moment. This concept is called the Magnus effect.